Dear children, have a happy day. Welcome to Science class, Chapter 4, the excretory system. Right. So before going to that, shall we start with prayer? Nice. So join your hands, close your eyes and listen to me. Asatu ma satgamaya Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya Mrityo ma amadam gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Great children. Now slowly open your eyes. Nice. So what we are discussing about? We are discussing about chapter 4, the excretory system. Right? In that we saw about excretion. What is excretion? The process of removal of waste from our body is called excretion. An excretory system. The system that helps in removing these waste are called excretory system. Next, organs in excretory system. So what are the organs that is present in excretory system? They are liver, lungs, large intestine, skin and urinary system. Right? Urinary system contains kidneys, urinary bladder, urethra, ureter, etc. Okay. So, primary, there are two types of waste present in our body. One is waste from digestion and another one is metabolic waste. Waste from digestion in sense it is from solid food. They are solid waste where the undigested food will be treated as the solid waste such as feces. Right? The nutrients from the food we consume will be absorbed by the small intestine, whereas the large intestine reabsorbs the remaining water from the undigested food, and the remaining solid waste will be removed as feces through anus. So this is the solid waste, that is waste from digestion. Whereas metabolic waste are due to waste produced by some chemical process, that is chemical reactions. Such wastes are called metabolic wastes. Those wastes must be carbon dioxide, urea, urine, excess water, salts, etc. These are the metabolic waste, whereas the solid waste are the waste from digestion. Right. So the organs, there are two types of process involved. One is egestion and another one is excretion. Egestion in sense removing the waste from our body, that is removing the solid waste from our body, that is called egestion. Excretion in sense producing the waste, that is secreting the waste, that is called excretion. So the organs involved in the excretion process are kidneys, lungs, liver and skin. So these are the organs that involved in the excretion process, whereas the large intestine involves in egestion process. Right? Then we saw about urinary system. Right? So what are the parts of urinary system? It contains renal artery, renal vein, kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So how it functions? What is the main purpose of kidney? It separates the waste from the blood. That is the main function of kidney. Right. So renal artery brings impure blood to the kidney, whereas renal vein takes pure blood from kidney to other part of the body. Right? So what is happening inside the kidney? Let's see. The waste from the blood, that is excess water, salt and urea will be removed from the impure blood. The removed waste will be sent as urine through the ureter to the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a sac-like muscular organ which holds the urine for a period of time until it is filled. Once the urinary bladder is filled, the urine is expelled through urethra. This is what happening in the urinary system. Would you clear, children? So next we are going to see about the other organs that are involved in this excretion process. The other organs might be lungs, liver and skin. What is the function of lungs? It separates oxygen from the air we inhale, and the blood takes that oxygen to all parts of the body. In return, the blood collects the carbon dioxide from all parts of the body to the lungs for exhalation. So what is the main purpose of lungs? It excretes carbon dioxide, that is, it exhales carbon dioxide, which is a toxic air to our body. Right? Then coming to liver. Liver purifies blood. The main function of the liver is to purify the blood. It removes toxins, drugs and worn out blood cells from the blood. Thus it purifies the blood. And coming to skin. It is the largest organ and also an excretory organ which secretes excess salts, urea and acids in the form of sweat. Right? So sweat is a combination of salt and water. The skin contains tiny holes called pores through which the sweat will come out. And also the skin helps in regulating the body temperature. So these are the organs that involved in excretion process. Right? Would you clear about this, children? So in order to keep our excretory system healthy, we must eat healthy and balanced diet, and we should avoid tea, coffee and other junk foods, and also we have to drink a lot of water and fluids. These are the main points that we have to keep in mind to keep our excretory system healthy, and also to work properly. Would you clear? Would you clear about the chapter 4, the excretory system, children? Very good. So this is the revision part of your chapter 4, and for the next session you have to be prepared for the exam and assessment in this chapter. And also for today's homework, you have to finish the MCQ part of your workbook. Right? Once again I am saying you have to finish the MCQ part of your workbook, and also you have to prepare well for the exam in next session on chapter 4. Would you clear? Very good. So we can meet in next session. Till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye.